everyone, welcome to my channel and my name is Sarala. Today I am going to talk about the common mistakes we make while learning English and also what mistakes I did. I am going to talk about those things in this video. Okay, so in my last videos I told you about you have to do that and you have to do this to learn English, right? But in this video I am going to talk about the things like you should not do. Okay, so what you have to do is please watch the video till the end without skipping the video. Okay, without squandering your precious time, let's dive into the video. The first thing is that don't concentrate too much on grammar, guys. When I'm learning this language, I was concentrate too much on grammar part. What I used to think on that time is if you want to speak in English, grammar is compulsory. So I used to think like this on that time. So that's why I learned a lot of grammar like tenses, phrases and idioms and vocabulary and rules, everything. I learned a lot. But after some days, I forgot it. So whenever I try to speak in English, I literally confused. So of course, if you are a beginner, have to know some of the rules to speak in English. Okay, so don't concentrate too much on grammar. Don't stress yourselves. Okay, so what I prefer is that, so in my perception, being like a simple in English is good, guys. Okay, so I prefer simple sentences and simple words. If you are a beginner, it is better to learn basics. Okay, so I prefer simple words and simple sentences. Why? Because I'll tell you one thing, guys. Why we all learning English? Because to express ourselves to others, right? That's all. It's enough if others understand what we are speaking, right? So being like a simple is good. So don't concentrate too much on grammar. Second thing is that don't translate your native language into English. So when I started learning this language, whenever I try to speak in English, what I did was, so I used to think in my mother tongue. After that, I translate it into English. Okay, so it is not going to be useful, guys. So whenever I speaking with anyone, so my mind gets stuck. And also, you are not going to be concentrate on your conversation. You definitely concentrate on translation. Okay, so because I faced this problem a lot of times, then I decided that don't translate our native language into English. It's better to think and speak in English without constantly translating word for word. Okay, this approach helps you to develop your natural flow of language and improve your fluency. Okay, instead of translating, what you have to do is understand the meaning and context of the English words and phrases directly and practice English using them different situations. Okay. The third thing is that if you are unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, so when I'm learning this language, I used to hesitate a lot to talk with someone because as an introvert, it is difficult for me to talk with someone. So like this, I hesitate while I'm learning this language. So after some days I understood if you are not asking our questions, if you are not clarifying our doubts, how we can improve our English. So I used to think like this. So then I decided, yes, we have to ask and we have to clarify our doubts with the co-learners. So I used to think like this when I am learning this language. So after that I realized myself and I changed myself. Okay, so if you unsure about something in English, don't hesitate to ask clarification or assistance from language partners. Okay, thing is that don't compare yourselves to others. We all making this mistake a lot of time comparing with others, right? What I used to do was whenever I watch any English content videos or listen to any podcast, so what I used to think is that when I would speak like them and how much time it will take to get that kind of fluency. So I used to comparing myself. Then what I understood is that if you are comparing yourselves with someone, your problem will start on that time, because we feel frustrated and we will become frustrated, and also we will become very jealous about them, and also we will feel very bad about ourselves. After realizing myself, I'll just stop comparing myself to, and I felt it was better to talk in my own way. So focus on your progress and improvement rather than comparing yourselves to others. Okay, the fifth point is that don't stop your practicing in English regularly. So in my beginning stage, I used to do this mistake a lot of times. So whenever we all learning something new, guys, in the beginning stage we do that work very interestingly, right? But after some days our brain says that don't do that work. So, and also we all do the same thing. What our brain says, we do the same thing, right? What I did was, so I postpone myself each and every single day. So let's say if I practice today, I postpone myself, let's practice tomorrow. Let's practice day after tomorrow. So I postpone myself each and every single day. So then I understand is that if you are doing like this, we are not going to be perfect in this language. So then I realized it, and regularly I practiced myself. For example, if you are doing something regularly or practicing in English regularly, so if we stop that work one day or 2 days, the next day we will become lazy and we are not going to do that work again. So our brain is not going to be a support. We are not doing that work with interestingly. So that's why what I'm saying is that if you postpone that work, we definitely become lazy, guys. Yes, of course, in the beginning stage it is difficult. Practicing consistently is crucial to improve your English, guys. So you have to make it as a habit and improve your English. Okay, regularly practice your English. This is all about today's video, guys. And have you made any mistakes while learning English? Do let me know in the form of comments. I'll also know. Okay, so if you like the video, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So if you have any doubts or queries, do let me know in the form of comments. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye.